So this is how to buy Cardano crypto in Canada on Robinhood. Once Robinhood is open, go to the bottom and select the magnifying glass. Once you're on the explore page here, you can either go to trending list, you can go to market cap or volume, and you can sort it that way, or you can go to the top to where it says search by name or symbol, and then you can start typing in Cardano or ticker symbol ADA. Once it appears, select it. Then at the bottom, go ahead and press buy. Once you're here, if you go to the top right, you can change the market order to Canadian dollars or Cardano. I'll leave it at Canadian dollars. Now, once you're on this page, type in the amount of Cardano you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $7 worth, for example, you type in 7 and then press review in the middle. You can then review the order, so how much Cardano you're purchasing, the fees, and the total cost. And if this looks good, at the bottom, you can swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Cardano crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.